Hey everybody, Mike Wolford here from the Dude's Kitchen. How is everybody? I hope you're all good. I hope you're ready for the holidays. I know I'm not, but what the hell. Today we're doing a special a breakfast that is tradition in my family on Christmas morning, and it's Swedish pancakes. So first thing we want to do is we want to get our butter started. So I know I have a knife out here. I just had the crazy thing. What did I do with it? What did I do with my knife? There it is. So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to cut off about a half of one of these things of butter, a cube of butter, about half. And we're going to throw it in here and we're going to melt it because we're going to use it on our pan and we're also going to use it as part of our pancakes. So drop that down in there. The next part we want to do, 3 eggs. Take our 3 eggs, we're going to whisk them up. We're going to whisk the heck out of them too. I don't know if you guys can see this, but you all know how to whisk eggs. And that's pretty good. The second part we're going to do is we have a cup of flour in here, a ½ tablespoon of sugar, and a ½ teaspoon of salt. We're going to add it into this. I'm getting to the point in the recipe that I'm going to have to add in our heavy cream. So we're about halfway through it. Lay down our heavy cream. That calls for 2 cups heavy cream. Whisk that in there nicely. Get it all together. Start adding a little bit more. Whisk, whisk, whisk. So everything is wet and there's no chunks. Alright, that's looking pretty good. A little bit more. Perfect. Next thing we're going to do is take our cast iron pan. We're going to put it on to the Cuisinart 360 griddle. Let it start warming up. And I am going to take a little bit more of our butter and put it on there. You know me, it's all about cooking with butter. Butter and a beer, that's all you need. Just throw that on there, let it start melting. Our butter's melting in here. We got that, we're just waiting for it to go down, the melted butter into here. We can start making our Swedish pancakes. In the meantime, I'm gonna have a beer. It's like 41 degrees out right now and the kids are playing in the common area. They're having a good time throwing the ball around. I figured I might as well cook. Now, the inside of this Swedish pancake is going to be lingonberry. Now this is where I kind of veer just a little bit from my stepdad. I like to use a little bit of cream cheese in here, and it's pretty much at room temp. Put it down in here. Kind of mash it up a little bit. And then we're going to take our lingonberries. I had to find this in like the specialty food section, and I bet they're not even available year-round. I'm going to take a big cup. I'm going to smash it all together. So that's what it looks like when it starts coming all together. You can see that or not, right there. That is just about perfect. Okay, so our butter is pretty much all melted. I'll show you guys. I know you know what melted butter looks like, but there it is. That's a half of a cube of butter, and I'm going to pour in about 4/6 of this, whatever that is, 1/3, 2/3 in there. whisk it all up again. Get that all in there. Yeah, looking good. Come back over here to our cast iron pan. As you can see, the butter's melted in here. So we're going to pour some of this in here. This is going to take 3 or 4 minutes to cook, maybe even a little longer. Just depends upon the heat of your pan. But what we're looking for is this thing's going to go brown around the side, and usually the middle will kind of stay that creamy white. But as soon as it starts getting brown and more brown and more brown, that's when we're going to want to flip it. That's about perfect right there. So we'll see you here in just a moment. Okay, we're at 2 minutes. This is just starting to brown on the outside, so we still have a ways to go. So I'm guessing that the heat's not quite like you know, the 4-minute marker and we're done. We're getting there. Be right back. Okay guys, we're at the 4-minute mark, and I'm going to show you a little trick. So you put around here on the side, see, I can touch it, nothing. But here in the middle, I'm still getting stuff, so it tells me we're not quite ready. But it is good. Be right back, guys. Okay guys, so we're back. It's been 9 minutes. I would not have expected to take this long, but we are doing it outside versus inside on a oven or stove, excuse me. But see the middle, we're not getting anything now. So take a look at it. The sides are nice and loose. It's that middle part that's kind of stubborn. I hope we don't destroy this one. Kind of loosely finagled. Oh, perfect. Check it out. Check that out. That's about picture perfect right there. You see how it moves? I like this. So we're going to give it another 2 minutes on this side, and then we're going to add our lingonberry and cream cheese to it. Okay guys, it's been 2 minutes and we solved the mystery of the spoon. All the time it was in our lingonberries. Oh no. Alright, 2 minutes guys. Let's check it out. That is about perfect right there. So you don't really need a lot of lingonberries to put in there. A little bit goes a long ways. See? And we roll it. And that's about perfection right there. Check that bad boy out. Now let's test it. Love these things. Dude, that cream cheese and lingonberry comes through so well on this. So good, guys. And since it's the holidays, there's nothing low carb about this. You could probably make it low carb. That's your challenge right there, to try to figure out how to make this low carb. Man, it's so good. All right, guys. Thanks everybody for watching. We made Swedish pancakes with lingonberry and cream cheese. So simple to make. You just got to be patient. Thanks again everybody for watching. Remember to like, subscribe, share. That's always fun. Ring that bell for notifications. We'll talk to you later. You're watching The Dude's Kitchen, and remember, the dude abides with Swedish pancakes. Oh yeah.